take a look at the 2019 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, steering wheel controls. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.